Let's memorize the breath sounds in under 60 seconds. Guys, I made this so easy. We're gonna start off with rails, aka crackles. And remember that rails affects the tails, okay? It's like crumply paper sound. Let's have a listen. Next is rhonchi, and know that these affect the bronchi. This is like a rumbly sound. Let's have a listen. For wheeze, think whistle. It's a musical sound. Let's have a listen. Finally, for stridor, think squeaky door in the attic, commonly due to an upper airway obstruction. Let's have a listen. There you have it.